Good morning, everyone. My name is Abhyant Devlan. Today we talk environment. It is the year of water and land. The environment gives us life. We must keep it clean and green. Pollution harms our planet. We should plant more trees, save water, and use less plastic. Trees give us fruits and shade. They bring rains. Cutting trees causes pollution. Trees are our best friend. Save trees, save life. Happy Environment Day. Thank you. This is Lahore.